very best. Egg number 1 begins to crack. What will come out? Let's not look back. Crack, crack, crack. A pretty butterfly flies up high. Hello, friend, says the butterfly. Now there are 4 little eggs to see, shining and sparkling happily. Egg number 2 starts to shake. Something wonderful is about to wake. Crack, crack, crack. A rainbow pops into the sky.
Showers dancing way up high.
Now there are 3 little eggs so bright, waiting for their special light. Egg number 3 wiggles around. Can you hear that funny sound? Crack, crack, crack. A baby bunny hops with glee.
Come and play along with me.
Now there are 2 little eggs to find, full of magic, sweet and kind. Egg number 4 rocks side to side. What surprise is hiding inside? Crack, crack, crack. A twinkling star begins to glow,
Lighting up the world below.
only 1 little egg remains,
Crack,
full
little
of
eggs,
wonder,
peek
full
out
of
and say
dreams.
hello.
Egg number 5 starts to spin. Let's see what magic is within. Crack, crack, crack. A friendly Yule egg corn appears,
Sky bringing smiles and happy cheers.
a butterfly, 1 rainbow bright, 1 bunny hopping with delight. 1 shining star, 1 unicorn too. So many magical things for you. Clap your hands and sing along. Magic eggs make every day fun. Butterfly flying in the sky. Wumpy gummy dubby dummy dubby bropping. Rainbow colors shining bright. Wumpy dummy dubby dummy dubby bropping. Bunny hopping left and right. Stars sparkling through the night. Unicorn dancing with delight. Stars sparkling through the right. 5 magic eggs, what a surprise. Wonder and joy before our eyes. Sing hooray!